ましょう。じゃったらじゃーん。So we see a big freaking Spider-Man plushie. Is it even a plushie? Maybe it's the bag itself. So Spider-Man fan. Do we know of any Spider-Man fans? Oh, ラプラスグラフブキ。Oh, なるほど。Crab. You want to see the crab? Yes, it's a crab. This one confused me too. I asked what it is, and this is a pen holder. わかりやすくなった気がする。Now, this looks like Final Fantasy to me. No, this is the makeup bag that she brings. This one, I was told, signing stamps with her. What is that? What is that though? What is that? The turquoise thing. Is that something I should know? Oh, that's Loki. 趣味がわかりやすいですね。The bag is from Fubuki senpai! Yeah! Fubuki senpai でした。Fubuki is a Marvel nut. Yeah, as far as I know. Yeah, she likes Marvel a lot, as far as I know. But I just wonder, why does she bring the crab? I guess you could not only use it as a pen holder, but you could also use it as a chopsticks holder? ペンのためなんだけど、カニはね。でも箸のためにも使えるかな。だから持ち歩いてるかな。
浮気すんなよ。見てるからな。